Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Remy Forte. It's my first time trying out a wig from this company. This is the pattern for the packaging. For the back's really dazzling. So let's get into it. Okay, we didn't get much. Just the wig and a wig cap. You know, that's it. Not a lot going on. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the wig that we have for today. So this is today's wig, guys. We're working with a really nice, like, kinky curly textured wig. It's very full. It's also 24 inches long and 180% in density. This, guys, it's been a while since I've had one of these, but it's a curly edge lace front. That's 13 by 4 curly edge lace front. They didn't do anything to it. They didn't pre-bleach it nor tint it, so you can go in and do that yourself. You know, feel free to customize it as you wish. Also, there's a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the very back of the cap, so you can make it as loose or tight for your head. And it is pre-plucked in the hairline, but as I said, it does have the curly edge vibe going on. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's very full. As I said, it's a natural 1B color, and it is, you know, it has that coarse curly texture, which is expected. So yeah, that's what we're working with for today's wig. So right off the bat, once I slip it onto my head, it feels pretty snug. And so I'm just gonna go in and get rid of the extra lace right away. Yeah, it's very full and nice, honestly. It's a very nice full. I can already tell that once I wet this up, the curls are gonna be popping. Like, no doubt about that. Loving that already. I'm just going to spray in the area with some of my spritz, and then I'll dry it down, but I'll spray beneath it first and kind of like tie it down on it. So I'm just, you know, I'm just using this elastic band to further melt it down and get my blow dryer and speed up the whole drying process, and then I'll cut away the excess lace. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Nah, nah.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the hair with some water.
Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody, daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna rate. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh, I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Nah, nah.
edges. Do it to how you like, but I still want to embrace the edges, the whole curly vibe. You could do less curls if you wish, but I really wanted to embrace, you know, that is one of the highlight features of this wig. As you guys know, it's one of the highlight features of this wig, as you guys know. So yeah, Remy Forte did their thing though. I feel like the fullness of this wig is top tier. You see these curls? Oh yes, they're soft. I knew it. I knew that once I applied some water and brushed this out, it would have been bomb. So what I noticed right off the bat, because you know it's so tightly curled, it's more of a kinky curly vibe. I feel like if you're gonna be wearing this wig continuously, you need to make sure that you're detangling it daily, because it will get matted, and you don't want that. And the more matted it becomes, the more shedding you're gonna get. Because I did get some shedding, but you just have to know. Once you do that, you're good. You know, at least you don't have to be worrying about straightening the hair or curling up the hair. Just some water, you brush it out, and you're good to go. It's beautiful. I didn't add any product to it, so that's why it still has all this volume. Pretty sure if you did some mousse or conditioner, it would be a little bit more, you know, tame. But I love this volume. It is giving. Love, love, love. You guys know where to find all the information on this wig. It will be in my description box, the direct link, the specifications, if you're interested in getting this for anybody else. You know, it's a season for giving that's coming up real soon. So we love a good gift, and I feel like this would make a beautiful gift. So get into it. But yeah, shout out to Remy Forte once more for this gorgeous wig. It really gave what it was supposed to give. Yeah, it's giving curly Sue 100%. Yeah, I like it. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself.